you doing, guys? It's Alessandro from Spicy Moustache. Welcome back for another episode. In today's video we're gonna talk about something a bit different than usual. We will talk about fermented tea, usually called as kombucha. Kombucha's origin more than 2,000 years ago, and it comes from northeast of China, used as a healing drink and usually called the immortal health elixir. It's composed of two words, kombucha. Cha in Chinese means literally tea. But let's talk about the benefits of kombucha and what it does to your body. It's a fermented drink that starts from three basic elements: tea, sugar, and SCOBY. SCOBY stands for symbiotic culture of bacteria and yeast. It contains a lot of probiotics, really good for your immune system. It's full of antioxidants. It improves your general gut health, so even digestion or stomach pain or problem with your stomach. And it's also said to reduce the risk of formation of cancer in your body's health. Another interesting fact is that all the bad bacteria that could develop during the fermentation are completely killed by the fermentation process. But I'm sure someone is already thinking like, oh, there's sugar, it's fermented, so it involves alcohol, right? Yes and no. There is only a trace between 0.2 and 1.2% of alcohol during the fermentation process. Obviously, homemade kombucha could contain a bit more alcohol in it. But to put this into perspective, when you eat a really matured banana, it contains the 0.1% of alcohol. Some people also claim to use it as a remedy for hangover. But let's not waste any more time. Let's get into this and see step by step how you can brew your own kombucha at home. To start your fermentation process, you would need sugar and tea. Any tea that contains caffeine, it's absolutely good, just because you're gonna have to feed your bacteria. Let the tea cool down completely or you will kill all the bacteria in your SCOBY. I use 1 SCOBY every liter of kombucha, and also I add a bit of liquid where the SCOBY was sitting just to kickstart the fermentation process. I use a rubber band to keep the cap in place, or you can use a cheesecloth just to keep the insects away. Remove the SCOBY and put it in another jar with a bit of liquid to keep it alive, or you can just place it in another batch of kombucha. I choose carrot to start my second fermentation process, but any fruit or veggie, it's absolutely fine to be used. I wouldn't use any store-bought juice just because they may contain some chemicals to slow or kill the bacteria for your fermentation. I wouldn't use any square bottle just because the carbonation level will raise and make it explode. Fill up 1/3 of the bottle with your fresh juice and the rest with your kombucha. burp your bottle daily in order to disperse the excess of carbon dioxide. So this is how I enjoy my kombucha. I drink 1 glass per day, sometimes 2, but you can have more depending on your needs. I hope you liked today's video. If so, please subscribe to my channel. I will be posting new videos every Friday, and I'll see you next week for some more content about either healthy life or my garden. See ya.